Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, and I'm very pleased to provide a short review and commendation for the production of the musical Rizal sa Likod ng Rehas by the National Police College. This collaboration of professionals and students, led by the visionary director, Dr. Romeo Magsalos, showcased a compelling and thought-provoking portrayal of the life and struggles of our national hero, Dr. Jose P. Rizal. The seamless integration of skilled actors from both the professional and student ranks brought a unique blend of talent and energy to the stage, capturing the audience's attention from start to finish. The musical not only entertained but also educated and inspired, shedding light on Rizal's unwavering dedication to justice and freedom in the face of adversity, which we all stand for. The role played by Dr. Romeo Magsalos was commendable, guiding the cast and crew to deliver a powerful and emotionally resonant performance. The production successfully conveyed the importance of holding values of integrity, courage, and determination, echoing the timeless relevance of Rizal's principles in today's society. Rizal sa Likod ng Rehas by the National Police College was a remarkable theatrical achievement that deserves praise for its artistry, interpretation, and storytelling. So once more, kudos to the entire team for the job well done in bringing this very, very significant piece of Philippine history to life on stage. Mabuhay ang National Police College, and as always, I am a proud alumnus.